What are the most common injuries after an auto accident? In 2017 there were over 400,000 auto accidents across Florida. This averages out to around 1,098 crashes each day. Let's explore some of the most common injuries from these auto accidents. Soft tissue injuries. Soft tissue injuries occur when the muscles, tendons, discs, or ligaments in the body suffer damage. While these types of injuries are often related to sports and exercise, soft tissue injuries can also occur from impacts such as vehicle accidents. These types of injuries include disc injuries, sprains, strains, and pulls and often result in pain, swelling, and mobility issues. Scrapes, cuts, and contusions. These types of injuries are common in even minor car accidents and can result in broken skin, bruises and bumps. Even if it seems like you have only suffered minor injuries, it is important to make sure that everything is checked out by a physician to ensure that your wounds are properly treated to prevent infection. Head trauma and injuries. Head trauma and brain injuries are tragically common in vehicle accidents where the velocity of impact causes the accident victim to be propelled into the windshield or other parts of the car. You can also suffer a brain injury due to whiplash, which is the violent back and forth movement of the neck area. Brain injuries and head trauma can result in severe, lifelong consequences, so it is important to get an accurate diagnosis immediately following your accident. Broken limbs. Broken bones are a common injury seen in car accidents, especially facial fractures and fractures of the extremities, including arms and legs. Breaks to the arms and legs are often immediately apparent, however, facial breaks aren't always so easy to diagnose at first glance. More often than not, medical professionals will treat major facial fractures, but additional cosmetic surgery may be required to get the bones in the face back to normal. Spinal injuries. One of the most serious types of injury which can occur during a car accident are injuries to the spine. Your spinal cord provides the signals to make your body move, and when this cord suffers damage, it can result in loss of sensation or function, or even paralysis. Injuries of this nature can be the result of trauma from accident shrapnel or the twisting or compression motion of the body during impact, which results in displaced pieces of bone or disc fragments in the back tearing the disc and/or spinal cord. Back and neck damage. While back and neck injuries can be quite common occurrences in car accidents, they often do not present until days, weeks, or even months later. Neck and back injuries often result in the most long-term post-accident pain. Some of the most common back and neck injuries that occur with vehicle accidents include cervical fractures, fractured vertebrae, herniated discs, and spinal misalignments. Treatments for these injuries involve stabilization, chiropractic adjustments, physiotherapy, acupuncture, massage therapy, pain management injections, medication, and surgery. If you've been injured in an auto accident, you only have 14 days after the date of an auto accident to initially be evaluated for your injuries. Due to these recent Florida law changes, your auto insurance may not have to pay your medical bills for treatment or lost wages after 14 days. Call Dr. David Jenkins today for a free consultation to discuss your injuries after a car accident at 321-775-9955. Or visit us online to schedule your appointment at seminolchiropracticcenter.com.